So what's up guys, so welcome to another video, a different kind of video. Yeah, as I can say, right, I have a lot of things which I should do, yeah, from different people. Let me say one, two, oh my, three, four, five. Oh my goodness, and most of them the work is due tomorrow. Yeah, but the thing is, here is what I'm going to do, because since I'm not able to just do everything at once, I cannot do everything at once, and I'll be going to work in a few hours. Then I'll have a free time. Then I'll go later on my other shift. But I really need to do this work. Do they bring any significant whatever amount of money in my pocket? No. Yeah. Will it help me eventually? Somehow it will help me. Uh, it will help me, because I'll be what? I'll be that graphic design thing or that editing thing will make me learn more about, you know, about design, about Excel, and about a document, a layout, and also logo design. But the thing which I'm going to do, right, I'm going to start with the easy ones. Yeah, because I cannot start with the hard ones. Let me start with the easy ones. The CV design. So the CV design is the first one which I'm going to do. Then after finishing the CV design, I send it, waiting for approval. I'm going to do the Excel sheet documentation, putting everything in order. After that, then I'll get into trying to brainstorm on two logo design, because one of the logo design brainstorm was already done a few weeks or a few weekend days. Yeah, so well, there's a lot on my table. And also I will have to continue with the Udemy course, of which I've not been doing for the past days because I've been feeling lazy. My head was overwhelmed with things. No internet. But well, let's see how it goes. I think somehow things happen for a reason. Yeah, and I'm having a certain idea which I want to explore in the graphic design industry and the web design industry. Well, I'll see how it will go like, and I will be talking about it on this channel, Learn with Bonis. Maybe I'm going to change the name of the channel. Nah, it's Learn with Bonis. So guys, cheers. Join me in a cup of tea. This is not coffee. This is pure tea. I no longer have coffee because I wasted the money through what? Trading. Cheers guys. Yeah, bye for now. Okay, connect to the internet and